Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's King Jones coming at you with another video today. And today I'm doing my clickbait journey once again. I told you guys I was going to start doing daily videos for y'all, and I'm keeping my promise. So we're in my clickbait journey, and be on the lookout for future videos as well, because I got a webcam now, so I'm going to start showing my face. Well, the webcam is on the way. I already ordered it, so it should be here this week. So be on the lookout for that and subscribe to the channel if you're new because I'm gonna be start doing daily videos. Leave a comment down below as well. Last video I answered everybody's comments, so leave a comment below as well if you have any questions and I'll answer them. Because like I said, I'm gonna start being more active on YouTube. I'm gonna start posting daily videos for y'all to help y'all out as well. So I'm gonna log into my Clickbank account and also leave a like on this video. It really helps out my channel. I'm trying to grow this channel and help as many people as possible with Clickbank. So yesterday was February 18th and I made $290.40. So that's yesterday. We're not going to count today because it's only 8 a.m. where I'm at. So we're going to look at that tomorrow. So I made $290.40 yesterday. So what I did yesterday, I posted on Instagram and I started running paid traffic as well. So I spent $60 in paid traffic yesterday, and then the rest was just free traffic methods. So I posted on Instagram a few times, well, 3 times to be exact, and I went in Facebook groups as well. So my method for Facebook groups is I'm gonna go to Facebook. All right, so let's go to groups. I'm in a bunch of face. Actually, I'm gonna go to this because this is an example of one of the things I do. So I go in Facebook groups, right? And then this is like a unraveling of the mind, so it's like a spiritual Facebook group. And then I post. Let me go up. Let me scroll up. So I post this, right? Hey, who would like a free numerology reading to find your life path, soul urge, and destiny numbers? Comment me down below if you like one. So, and as you can see, people are commenting me, and then I send them to the numerology reading. But first, I capture their like Facebook messenger. So I use ManyChat, right? And then they get on my ManyChat list so I can remarket to them. So it's like email marketing but with Facebook Messenger. I decided to do ManyChat on Facebook because they're already on Facebook, so I could just message them directly instead of having for them to having to check their email, put their email in and all that. Because email rates have dropped significantly. So I just use ManyChat now for Facebook only. If it would load, I'm trying to show you guys my landing page for ManyChat. Um, if it would load anytime soon. All right, so this is my page. I got a little video of me, and then I have free numerology reading. Just click send a message here, then check your Facebook email inbox. So they click this, and then the reading gets sent to their Facebook Messenger. But I also capture they also get put on my list for ManyChat, so I could just send them a message at any time. So that's why I like ManyChat for Facebook. If you're doing the Facebook groups, just use ManyChat. Don't collect their emails and all of that because ManyChat you get higher open rates, higher click through rates, and everything. So use ManyChat when you're doing Facebook marketing. So this is how I do free traffic for Facebook. Well, one of the methods I do free traffic for Facebook. So you can copy that and try to get some sales if you like as well. So that's my clickbait journey for today. Let me refresh the account so you know everything is legit. And I'll do it one more time. Alright, so now you know. Leave a like on this video if you enjoyed it, if you found the little tips useful. And I'm gonna start making some more videos for you guys. So comment down below and subscribe to the channel if you're new. And I'm out, bro.